This iPhone 14 Pro belongs to a fan from Xinjiang. The customer, who sent it in for a battery replacement, said the phone had been in use for almost 3 years. The phone is currently working perfectly. But the battery life isn't as long as it used to be. Therefore, the fan wanted a battery replacement to keep it running for another 3 to 5 years. The recommendation was to replace the zero-cycle flex cable and add a high-capacity battery. Because for models after iPhone 11, the underlying data cannot be modified. And after about 1,000 charges, there's a voltage reduction and capacitor lock issue. Therefore, for a phone that's been used for almost 3 years, we don't usually recommend transplanting the battery core. After 3 years, it's likely had around 1,000 charges. But the zero-cycle flex cable resets the charge cycle counter. Combined with the high-capacity battery, this solves the problem of short battery life. Here's the whole battery replacement process. Apple users might find this useful. You never know when you might need it. Without further ado, let's enjoy the process. Background music and sounds. Background music and sounds. Background music and sounds. Okay. The phone's battery has been replaced. And the battery health is back to 100%. Repair complete.